Hello everyone, this is BIM-based parametric model of Emerson College, Los Angeles by Morphosis. As we can see, we have two rectangular prisms that represent the residential towers, in addition to several freeform masses in the middle, and we have also a rectangular prism for the base. As we can see, we have this skin, and this is the second type of skin, and we can see that it's either open as here, or it can be closed. So to model this project, we have several conceptual masses that were loaded into the project environment. The first conceptual mass represents the rectangular masses, while the second conceptual mass represents the free form in the middle. This conceptual mass shows the several parameters that control the rectangular masses. As we can see, we have parameters that control the bridge depth, control the distance of the bridge from the edge, control the height of the bridge, control the distance between the two towers, in addition to several parameters that control the podium, which is this mass, depth, and so these parameters control, for example, the width of the tower, the distance between the two towers, the residential tower depth. This is the second conceptual mass. Basically, this mass was modeled through using loft command on several profiles. Also, the surfaces of this masses were divided using 1/3 step panels, and this panel was modeled as a curtain panel, as we can see here. Due to the size of the file, the other facades were modeled as in-place mass inside the project environment. The panel on this facade has a rotational parameters that can be controlled in the type properties. For example, instead of having a zero angle and closed panel, we can, for example, open it by changing the type into 90 degrees. To see how this unit was modeled, we can do edit family, then we can see the parameters here, and if we have 0, we can have it close, or we can have, for example, 45. This is a nested family. To create the rotational parameter, we need to lock the profile into a reference line. To access this adaptive curtain panel, we can edit the family. We can control the shape or the geometry of this folded panel by manually drag these points. The project environment in Revit also help us to add details into our model.